What's up, guys? We are live here at the Acura reveal of the brand new Acura Integra. This is going to be awesome. We already see some lineage here of the Integra. Let's start over here. Got ourselves the JDM Acura Integra Type R. Can't go wrong with that. Another old school. Oh wow. Yeah. Original window sticker right there.
That's just cool.
Very, very nice.
234,000 miles.
Got ourselves a 4-door.
234,000 miles on that thing. Everything's clean.
Yep. And there's my baby. There she is. Derek, watch out for a second. Right there. We'll come to that in a second. This is surreal. The Integra nameplate is being brought back after what? 2001 was the last time. So 20 years about.
Yeah.
Check out how clean that bad boy is.
I always like that color.
Wow, 4-door Type R. JDM. RSX Type R. That is clean. Let's go look on the inside. Very clean. And of course, an Acura NSX. Super nice. And of course, Monica. Wow.
Wow, that was so much better.
They did a great job detailing.
Look at that, man. Look at that, got your name on it.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, baby girl looking so good. Damn. Derek and I detailed this thing, but it didn't turn out like that, I can assure you. Oh, look at that.
There's not a scratch on it.
Nice job, Acura. Furious Garage. That's us.
Wow, that's nice, man.
Never in my wildest dreams would I think I'd have this car here at an event like this. This just is awesome. All right, let's walk around and see some other amazing time capsules.
First gen. Program fuel injection.
Wow.
I'm not gonna do something in a second.
Woo. Oh, this is actually owned by Honda. Look how clean that is.
68,000. Wow, that's clean. Really perfect. The weather strip's perfect.
Nice. Now, I think this is the vehicle that was actually loaded up on the trailer at the same time Monica was.
Yeah, it is.
Is it? We're outside, man. We might not have to put our masks on.
Right there, stay healthy.
This is actually by Honda as well. Woo!
Oh, I'm sorry.
So Derek and I are from the Furious Garage. We just got our lanyards for this Acura event. Here's my name. There's yours. And this is going to be awesome. Whole reason we're here, or whole reason we got the invite.
One car.
One car. One very important car.
That was there before, right?
Yeah. She looks good though.
Oh god, dude, the red is perfect.
Yeah.
Now you knew you do? Get ceramic coated to get that.
You can't do that though. They got to strip the wax to do that. Yeah, you can't ceramic over wax. It doesn't work like that.
Curb rod?
Huh?
Curb rod?
Maybe. Dude, check it out. They got a model of an Integra Type R over here.
Type R?
Well, maybe not a Type R, but the 95 96 model. A new era of performance. That's kind of the new slogan for Acura at the moment. RSX Type S. Who's this owned by?
Honda.
Ooh, man, look how clean that is. Ay, ay, ay. Integra Type R. Look how minty fresh this damn thing is.
Huh?
Get a close up of the miles in it.
This is the one that Honda owns, right? Yeah.
Bro.
Get out of here. Wow, look how clean this thing is. What? We do have one of these, just not this clean. Yeah. Wow. What number is this one? I can't really see.
Like 7?
Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. Nearly flawless. Look at the wheels.
I know. Still got the original wheel locks and everything on it from Honda.
Yep.
Back here. Still got the original sticker.
Uh-oh. Something awesome is going to be happening in here soon.
This thing around.
Dude, the real-time Integra. Wow.
You know what? See how the fuses are? One pops, he just changes it out. Old camera mount. This thing probably rips.
Oh, I bet it does.
Especially think fucking 11 grand it probably rips to.
Do you guys do it from sticks like paneling and that sort of stuff? All of it. So how do you think I should outfit the annex and while trying
Look
to
at that.
keep it's the warehouse. It's in there. It's big to show you.
There's a lot of important cars out here.
So and you've seen it empty, right? It's
Dude,
a
rally car? Look at that. I was unaware they had a rally style Integra or rally team. Yeah. Who's this owned by? I'm digging the new slogan. Did you see this? Hold on. New era performance.
I like the wheels, man. The wheels are awesome. The one up front has the wheels too.
Right. That is crazy. This is literally about to bring a tear to my eye. I mean, to see this car out here with all these other important Acuras and to see Monica here.
Front row and center.
Front row and center, you're right. That's a great way of putting it.
First thing you see.
Who knew this would be such an important car?
And our names on it.
Yep. Huh? The reveal doesn't start until about 5 o'clock, so we're just getting a tour of the cars right now. And as soon as we can go inside, there, oh, you see, there, we will. That's where the magic is going to happen. That's where the new Integra Type R is going to be revealed, and I'm excited. It's about time. That nameplate meant so much to us. It meant a lot to me, obviously. I grew up with that nameplate. The Honda Acura brand is one of my favorites. I have a lot of Hondas and Acuras in the garage. We have 3 Integra Type Rs, white, black, and yellow. A couple Civic SI EM1s, and of course, the whole reason why I'm